Hello, lovely students. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. So, I'm Achal Rohila, botany faculty, and I'm here to tell you that we are going to launch a new batch Rise NEET Crash Course, right? And this batch is starting from 16th of October, and you can enroll in this batch with only 1499 AD. Right, remember this batch is starting from 16th of October. Let's discuss the batch details. So, this batch basically exclusively aiming at JEE and NEET syllabus to be covered for 2024 exam, and intensive exam preparation technique and strategies will be discussed during the lectures, and tips and trick how to ace the exam in one go in one sitting. And we will cover physics, chemistry, botany, zoology and mathematics. Live lectures will be provided, remember, and lecture planner and all the test planner will be available for you guys in the batch notice section, and also DPPs, which is daily practice problems or daily practice test, and their video solution will be provided for you. The starting date, as I already mentioned, is 16th of October, that is Monday, and the end date, the batch will end on 20th January 2024. However, this batch and the videos will be accessible to you till May 2024, right? The batch will end in 20 January, but the batch will be accessible to you till May 2024. In case you have missed any class, it can be any emergency, right? So in case you have missed a class, you can always watch a recorded video that are available on PW Gulf website, that is www.pwgulf.com. So in case you have missed a class, you can always watch the recorded video.
Alright, thank you ma'am for giving the batch details. So let's go through the schedule and the planner for the batches, right? For the JEE and the NEET batches, right? So let's discuss the schedule for the JEE batch first, right? So JEE batch, that is starting on 16th of October 2023, and this crash course would go up to the 20th of Jan 2024. So you guys will be having classes 4 days a week, right? So classes would be 4 days a week, right? As you can see in the JEE schedule. This is for the JEE, right? And classes would be on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. And here are the UAE timings, right? Here are the UAE timings for this particular JEE batch, right? 5:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. would be the slot 1, and 7:15 p.m. to 8:45 p.m. You would be having a 15 minutes gap between the two classes, right? So there would be days where two classes are scheduled, right? And there could be days where only one class is scheduled, right? So let's see the NEET schedule, right? That is the crash course schedule for NEET batch. Right? So NEET schedule, it would be start the batch, as we know, it would be starting from 16th of August and would be going up to 20th of January 2024. Now, the only difference is in the number of days. So here the classes happen 5 days a week, 5 days a week. And if required, it may be extended, right? But as of now, it is going 5 days a week, and there would be two slots for the classes. One would be 5:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. according to the UA timings, right? Check out what would be the timings at your region based on this, right? So after a gap of 15 minutes, you would be having the second slot for the classes, right? Like for example, on Monday you have physics and chemistry. Physics in first slot, that would be taken by me, and chemistry in the second slot, right? Similarly, botany, chemistry, you are having a slot off on Wednesday, right? Then zoology would be in the second slot. Similarly, two slots on Thursday, right? Friday on one first slot, you would be having the class. Now, weekly schedule will keep on updating, and it will be there on your portal itself. So make sure you guys check out the weekly schedule on the portal itself, right? And you would be getting to know about the topics, etc. being checked there. Right. Now let's see the plan. Right. You must be wondering that like which topic would be taught to us this particular week of this chapter, right? What would be the schedule? What would be the dates, exact dates and exact timings of this particular chapter and this particular topic in that chapter, right? So you would be getting a lecture planner for each subject, right? So that particular lecture planner, it would be available in the notice section. When you open your portal, you will find a notice section on the portal, and in the notice section you would be finding a planner like this, which would be having the chapter number, subject, chapter name, for example, R&F, relation and function we have, and modules in which it is divided, and how many lectures would be required, for this particular chapter. Like for example, this particular relation and function, this chapter requires one lecture, right? For any of the topic, right? So one lecture would be required, and date of start and completion date would be there, right? And faculty name would be there. For example, taken by Varsha ma'am. So Varsha ma'am name, faculty name would be there, right? This might vary. Some chapters may require or may be extended by one or two lectures, so it will keep on updating. So make sure you check out the lecture planner in the notice section. Thank you very much. Let's move on to the next section.
Hello, my dear students. This is Varsha, and here we are to the most awaited portion, Know Your Teachers. I will talk about all the teachers who are going to be teaching you physics, chemistry, maths, biology. Yes. So the very first is physics, none other than Kunal sir. You can look at his credentials. He is himself a BTech and JEE qualified, AFCAT qualified, IIM call holder, mentored over 5,000 students, so a lot of experience he has, and he has a very funny, witty way of teaching the students. Chai pee lo, kahin se bhi swad milega, yahi se. So I personally have seen his lectures, and he is one of the best physics teacher you will come across. Trust me, after you attend his sessions, all your concepts will be super duper clear. Well, the next teacher, chemistry is a very pleasant surprise for all of you. So for that, you all have to wait. You will come to know about the chemistry teacher. Again, I can assure you that you will be surprised in a good way. Guys, they say that teacher is not the one who teaches you how to count, but a good teacher is the one who teaches you what to count. And with this funda, all the teachers here make sure that you guys understand what to learn, how to learn, not just for this particular exam, but in the long run for your life. Well, the next faculty is myself, mathematics. You can see about myself. I've been teaching for more than 7 years. I've taught a lot of JEE students, and students have come across with flying colors in the examinations. I will also make sure that all my students feel comfortable in the classroom and talk clear their doubts without any hesitation. Let's make mathematics super simple with my special techniques. The next one is Achal ma'am. Yes, she will be the botany teacher, and she is from Kirorimal College in Delhi University, B.Ed, and then 7+ years of teaching experience. She has a very unique way of teaching, which makes students understand the botany concept very easily. You will remember whatever she teaches for a longest amount of time. Next one is the zoology teacher, a NEET expert, Chavi ma'am. Chavi ma'am has done PhD in zoology, herself a gold medalist. I think that's enough. Yes, she has her own unique way of teaching. CSIR JRF with All India Rank 86 Inspire Fellow, which is a scholarship, then 7 years of experience as a faculty in many of the Indian institutes, taught students in both online as well as offline mode. Next part is, guys, the concern comes to what is the pedagogy. So here we follow a very defined and experienced, tried and tested method through which students, when they go through this curriculum which we designed for them, it's sure shot that they will be improving their marks. Yes, it's definitely your hard work included in it, but the pedagogy is so designed it will improve you guys to a level. The first thing is DPPs, daily practice problem. So after each session, you'll get a DPP. Not just the DPP, its solution will be recorded by the teachers. So when you get stuck in any of the question, or you want to just check whether your method is right, your answer is correct, you can go and check out the video solution. All this will be available on your dashboard, on your PW dashboard, which we will be providing. Next part after the DPPs is the test. There will be test, regular test for you guys, in which the question paper will be of competitive level that will match the competition level questions, as well as you will get the immediate results, a test analysis. Not just that, the solution of the test will always be available. So you can after the test go and watch the solution, find out your mistakes, because that's the most important way to learn, finding your own mistakes. So a solution video will also be provided along with that.
So yes, I am your Chavi ma'am, your zoology teacher. So I'll be discussing some more feature. You know your course is about to launch. What are you waiting for? 16th of October. Have you registered yourself? If not, do it right now. If you are aiming for NEET, if you are aiming for JEE, this is the best time. Register yourself. You will be getting all the content. And along with that, there are some important features. So let's have a look. Do you want to have a look how our classes look like? So see. This is how our classes look like, where there will be a teacher he or she will be teaching like this, and this is how the students, they will be present in their own comfort zone, that is in their houses, where they can unmute yourself, just like that of Zoom classes. They can unmute yourself, they can ask n number of doubt, you can switch on your cameras, you can show any question related query. So this is the best thing. Our only motive is to provide best content to each and every student, because ultimately what we want is a selection. We want to see you guys in good IIT college, and also we want to see you if you are a NEET aspirant in one of the prestigious medical institute. So interactive classes, 3D models, and also we all love quizzes. Similarly, here also, so quizzes will be very interesting. Now, teacher in between the class will be asking questions. They will start a poll. You will be getting 4 options on your screen, and out of these 4 options, you have to select one. So, isn't it interesting? So, that means it will be a live quiz happening, where if you are selecting the right answer in a short duration of time, you can be in leaderboard. So this particular competitive environment we create for each and every student. So isn't it interesting? Let's move on to the next feature. So the next feature is, yes, sometimes it is like, otherwise we always make sure none of our students, they should face any problem. We always double check everything. But yes, because it's a technical, so between the class also you can submit your problem. That means you can report, you can write to us if you are facing any issue while watching the session, right? Now, you can also report and write to us in any issue faced while watching the lectures. Now, watch and suggest us about the lectures. Similarly, you can provide us the good thing also, like this is the one on which the teacher, they should work, or these were the problems which you guys were facing, so that all your problems, all your queries will be taken care, because our students are our priority. Now moving on to the next is the best part, that is a library. Yes, along with the crash course, you will be getting the library access also. So we are having 2 different zones, JEE zone and next is a NEET zone. If you are a NEET aspirant, you will get physics, chemistry, biology lectures along with the DPP, along with the test series, everything, all the PDF related, everything you will get here in the NEET zone. If you are aiming for the JEE, if you are opting JEE Crash Course, you will be getting the content of physics, chemistry and mathematics. Interesting, right? So at the same time, you are getting all the PDF, you are getting the daily practice paper, you're getting all the test series. What else are you waiting for? And sometimes it is like we are stuck somewhere, we are not able to attend the live class. Then guys, you have an option of watching the recorded session as well. So guys, what are you waiting for? I have another surprise for you. You know what is that? That is a Sarthi. Yes. Sarthi is a complete hand-holding experience. If you're facing any problem, then either it is academic or non-academic, that part is coming very, very, very soon. That will be a one-on-one video calling interaction. So let's have a look. Sarthi is a complete hand-holding experience in students' entire academic journey to achieve their goals. So we will be in touch with each and every student. We will be looking at their progress as they will be going through the DPP, as they will be performing the DPP, the test series, each and every data which students will be doing, either it is the class polls or the DPP will be collected, and later on the total performance of each and every student will be calculated, and accordingly we will get in touch with each and every student. If student is facing any problem, they can get in touch. Either it is academic problem or non-academic problem, one-on-one interaction will be there. So that means your problem will not be your problem will be our problem. Now, Sarthi will offer live session with a subject-specific coach. That means if you are facing any problem in chemistry, subject-specific coach will get in touch with you. You can ask your doubts over there. Sarthi coming very, very, very soon. Now, we will offer one-on-one video, chat planner, sharing, the doubt solving, concept clarity to all the students. So this is going to be super interesting and super informative. Now moving on to the next is hurry up guys. What are you waiting for? Join right now. Now first thing is, how can we enroll ourselves? Now first thing is, you have to go to our website, which is www.pwgulf.com. You have to select your batch. That means either you're aiming for the NEET or you're aiming for the JEE. You have to select your batch, then you have to buy now, and then you have to complete the payment. Now, moving on to the next is, this is how you can contact us. In case you're facing any problem, you can mail us to support@pwgulf.com. We are always available for you guys. So guys, register yourself. So time has started. Classes are about to start. That is 16th of October. We all are waiting for you. Join right now. Don't waste your time. If your target is IIT, if your target is one of the prestigious institute, one of the prestigious medical colleges of India, then what are you waiting for? Do it right now. Okay guys. See you guys. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. See you in classes.